This video explains the difference between Meta AI and ChatGPT for beginners. Let's start with Meta AI. Meta AI is a comprehensive AI system developed by Meta, formerly known as Facebook. It integrates into Meta's platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to enhance user interactions, content moderation, and personalized recommendations. Here are some of Meta AI's key features. Meta AI seamlessly integrates into Meta's ecosystem, providing AI-driven interactions within social media and messaging apps. It uses meta learning to improve its learning process, enabling it to adapt quickly to new tasks. Meta AI has multimodal capabilities. In other words, it can process text, images, and potentially other media types. Think of Meta AI like a smart assistant embedded in your favorite social media apps, helping you with tasks and providing personalized content. Let's now look at ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a conversational AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. It uses natural language processing to generate human-like text responses. Here are some of its key features. ChatGPT excels in generating coherent, informative responses in real-time conversations. It can be used across multiple platforms and industries for tasks like content creation, customer service, and education. It has impressive generative capabilities. It can create articles, code, emails, and more based on user prompts. Imagine ChatGPT as a versatile language teacher who can help with writing, translation, and even coding tasks. Here are some Meta AI use cases. Meta AI can automate customer interactions on Meta platforms, providing quick and personalized responses. For example, a business can use Meta AI to automatically respond to common customer inquiries on Facebook Messenger. Meta AI can also help with content creation. It can help generate and edit content, such as images and posts, within Meta's apps. For example, users can ask Meta AI to suggest and edit captions for their Instagram posts. In the healthcare environment, it enhances patient engagement by providing AI-powered chatbots for medical information and appointment scheduling. For example, a hospital can use Meta AI to create a chatbot that helps patients find medical information and schedule appointments. Here are some ChatGPT use cases. As you may already know, ChatGPT generates high-quality content like blog posts, social media updates, and even entire articles. For example, a blogger can use ChatGPT to draft an article on a specific topic by providing a prompt. When it comes to customer support, ChatGPT can create personalized responses to customer inquiries based on their history and preferences. For example, a company can integrate ChatGPT into its customer service system to provide tailored responses to customer queries. In the education field, ChatGPT can assist in creating educational content, such as lesson plans and study materials. For example, teachers can use ChatGPT to generate interactive lesson plans and quizzes for their students. Here are the key differences between ChatGPT and Meta AI. Meta AI is deeply integrated into Meta's platforms, while ChatGPT is more versatile and can be used across multiple platforms. Meta AI focuses on enhancing social interactions and content within Meta's ecosystem, whereas ChatGPT excels in conversational tasks and content generation across various industries. ChatGPT is universally accessible via the web and APIs, whereas Meta AI is primarily accessible through Meta's apps. In summary, Meta AI is ideal for users deeply engaged with Meta's platforms, offering personalized and integrated AI experiences. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a versatile tool suitable for a wide range of applications across different industries and platforms.